I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys to smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, bounce, relief rally. We talked about this idea yesterday. Remember, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 2 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free Bitcoin. Let's go. So Bitcoin 12-hour chart. So price action previously broke above $40,000, ran up here, essentially printed a bull trap. Everybody bought the breakout essentially, and then Bitcoin pulled back. Now we had this relief bounce we talked about at the 382 fib level, about 37,400, and Bitcoin had positive price action today. It's been good for a lot of the altcoins. Ethereum's seen some upside as well. What do the bulls not want to see happen? A rejection off of this level. This would be a bearish retest. This would be bad for the bulls. And you look for a measured move or a move down to 35,900, potentially 34,300. Okay, so it would be very bullish to see a breakout here, or the bulls hold this level, consolidate here for a while before breaking higher. Very important to keep an eye on Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Yesterday, 8,700 people saw this. We said we could get, I'll just play it for you. Here we are, Bitcoin at support. Can we get a relief bounce here? Yes, probably will see some type of a relief bounce. Asia waking up soon. Daily candle close coming. You've got this falling wedge. 68% chance that this breaks to the upside. We've been waiting on this move in group all day. And guess what happened? Anyone? Boom. Bounce from about, like we said, 37,400. Now we're all the way up to $40,000 Bitcoin. All right, here is make or break moment for Bitcoin. I mean, to get some type of retrace, if you were able to put in a low that's higher than this previous low, it might still work higher. What you don't want to see is this measured move, which basically the price action's there, is a rejection, and then downside continuation. The bulls need a high up here, a high higher than this previous high. Lower high would essentially confirm a downtrend, right? Now, if it did come down here, put in some type of double bottom, you could have good upside continuation based on this reversal idea. But right now, it's make or break for Bitcoin. Daily candle close coming in about 2 hours, 30 minutes. Pay attention to Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. Shout out to Kazi. He says, you make learning to trade easy as possible. Thank you for your attitude, consistency, and direction. This person hit the 6-figure club. He's up $245,000. This person up $14,800 in a month. Huge. This person, he sent me a picture of his brand new truck. He says, I'm 54 years old. I've never bought a new vehicle in my life. He just paid cash. And he said, thanks again. You made this possible for me. Awesome. Like, this is the best feeling in the world. But remember, this is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. We have to make it count. Things are happening right now. We've got buying opportunities coming that will lead to amazing upside going forward. I'm going to make sure you're in the best and most profitable trading setups every single day, period. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. Look in the description of this video. There's a link to take you directly to the website. These are some of the recent winners we've had. 47% gains, 115%, 87%, 41%, 69%, 314%, 42%, 53%. I don't know if you guys saw this email. A lot of people are talking about this, where the Senate was trying to do all kinds of crazy stuff with crypto, where this infrastructure bill was really going to, it had some language in it that would quote unquote crush the crypto industry. So the bill would dramatically expand U.S. government surveillance over the entire crypto ecosystem. So there was an amendment that would fix the language and clarify the expansion of the definition of a broker doesn't apply to open source software developers like DEXs or validators like miners or stakers. So there were some tax ideas that would make it almost impossible for people to mine cryptocurrency, stake cryptocurrency, as far as like tax reporting. And then, software developers, anything to do with crypto, just would be a headache. And so Kraken sent an email out just talking about making your voice heard. And if you're in the United States, you could call this number and you could be connected to your senator and give them a piece of your crypto mined. Government, as long as they get their piece, they're fine. But this was far overreaching. Ethereum fork coming, 14 hours, 54 minutes. The London hard fork, EIP-1559 going into effect, deflationary mechanism for Ethereum. It's like the Bitcoin halving, people are saying. So let's see what type of positive price action we see out of Ethereum. Now, a lot of times is buy the rumor, sell the news, where there's all this hype, and then traders take profit when the actual fork happens. So let's see how that works out for Ethereum. This was the Ethereum setup I gave you guys. You guys would have had entry right here on this retest. Ethereum up 33%. Like, hopefully, you got to go big on these events. I mean, DeFi perp. So DeFi has been hot. We have to follow the money flow. We have to understand where the money is going. And you can see you've got this is a reversal pattern. So this continues higher. You'll see money flow into the DeFi coins. I got some setups for you in just a minute. One of them is a DeFi project. So we'll talk about that shortly. This is Trust Wallet. I just have to show you this because this setup got posted on the 29th. TWT, Trust Wallet. Boom. 40% gains. That thing's just skyrocketed. This one had some Class C bullish divergence as well. I buy the bottom of falling wedges and bullish divergence before the breakout because I have a high success rate based on this idea. You get a couple of you want to hit the multiples in cryptocurrency that you're looking for. You have to learn how to enter the bottom of the patterns, buy its support, not chase these green candles. This is Leo Messi. He has got a partnership with Eternity, which is ERN. And so ERN obviously had this huge pump, probably about 50 or 60% based on this NFT partnership by a soccer legend. Great to see him getting involved in NFTs and crypto. IOTX, here's a good setup for you guys. So essentially how you want to enter this is, let's say Bitcoin pulls back, right? You're looking for, it's already broken out. No big deal. The best entry, the strongest group of buyers is talking about the same exact idea we're talking about right now. And they're waiting for the pullback to support. So, you could buy the breakout of this level or just look for the pullback to this support level. And then boom, you're looking for upside continuation. Potentially you could see 30, 40% profits out of IOTX. Akro, it's taken off, but it hasn't exploded. You got double bottoms everywhere, double bottom goodness. So with this setup, you can see clearly you've got this double bottom W pattern. All right, so the measured move just to this pattern would put the price action right about here. Be about 20% gains just based on this idea. But if you get a breakout here, there's actually a bigger double bottom, right? If you can imagine, like this is like this bigger double bottom, right? So then you'd get your measured move in this distance and you'd be moon mission. So pay attention to Akro. Again, you can buy the breakout of this level. Retest is a good entry. Retests are golden, right? What you do is you go down here and you right click on this line, add alert to horizontal line. Get an email that tells you when you get the pullback to support and you know when to enter. Do not miss these setups. This is cake USDT. It's taken off, but there's still a lot of potential upside. You can see, I think this could go to $30 over time. Bitcoin obviously has to act right. Let's say Bitcoin has a bearish scenario play out and you get some type of pullback down here to this support level, or you could even down to this support level, right? So some type of support pullback, all right? It's going to bounce off one of these support levels and you're going to look for entry based on this idea. And then you've got, like I said, 100% gains over time out of cake. This is a DeFi project. It always, look at what it did last time. Moon Edition. Look at it. I mean, are you serious? This thing went from last time. Here we are. In crypto, I mean, cake in March 2021 was $9.60. Here we are again in July. It was $10, right? I mean, if you do not take profits, like you're all the way back down here where you started. All right, now Cake's trying to do it again. Cake is trying to do it again. Could you get a move up here? I mean, it's possible. First things first, let's start with $30 Cake. And Cake has always been one of the hot DeFi altcoins. Tons of upside when this thing gets going. If you like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.